Hey, welcome to another episode of Beers, Jack and Barbecue. Today we're going to do chicken wings. So I have a few pounds of Tyson chicken wings, thawed them out for 2 days. Have them in the big pan because I was coating it with some Cosmo's Dirty Bird Hot. I'll actually add a little bit more to it before we go out to the grill with them. But we're going to, like I said, started with the coating here. Going to make a sauce on the stove. Grill's set up for direct and indirect cooking, so I'm going to start them on the indirect side. Have it running about 350 degrees. Just to get them warmed up, I'll move them over to the direct side and start basting them and be going back and forth with them depending on how they're looking as we're coating them. I want to get like a coat, at least like 1 or 2 coats on each side so it bakes in good and we'll have a nice hot wing. So we'll see you on the stove. All right, so here we are going to make the sauce, and sorry to use this pun, but I pretty much just wing it when I make a sauce for my wings. I am starting with like 3/4 of a stick of butter. I'm going to use a cup of Frank's Red Hot. Going to use Tabasco, and I just kind of, like I said, just kind of go with what I feel like putting in here. Usually going to the hotter side for this. The butter normally will calm it down a little bit. That bottle is almost empty, that's why I have the second one ready to go here. Butter definitely calms the heat down some. So I'm going to just get some extra heat here with the Tabasco. Add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Probably said that wrong, but that's all right. Just for flavor. And then our secret ingredient, depends on when this episode comes out. We did a beef jerky episode, but I got some special hot flakes here. So our cameraman Jack actually has a buddy who grows some crazy hot peppers. Jack cuts them apart, dehydrates them, and then just grinds it to should say like a flake almost, and then put it in a pepper shaker like this or a grinder. It makes it easier to disperse. So Jack likes some hot. I like medium to hot, so I'm going to try to hit in the middle here today. So that'll just kick it up a little bit on the heat side of it. I'm basically just going to continue to stir this in until it just starts simmering, and then from there we're just going to leave it sit and have it ready to go out on the grill, where I'll start basting or brushing it onto the wings as the wings start getting done. So we'll see you out on the grill. All right, so here we are at the grill. I don't know if you can see the snow behind us, but we had about 2 inches of snow, and then we had sleet and rain yesterday. But it's about 30 degrees tonight doing the wings. Just going to start them, like I said, on the indirect side. I'll move them around once I get them all laid out here. But just going to spread them out. Like I said, start them, get everything warmed up. Grill's running just about 300 degrees, kind of what we were shooting for, maybe towards 350. But like I said, keeping everything going here. We'll come back out as I move them around. And as I move them down, start basting them. So we'll show you what's going on soon. All right, so they've been on about 15 minutes. I'm going to go move them down to the direct side, and we'll start basting them. They're looking nice. Grill right now is about 350 degrees, so that's kind of where I wanted to be. All right, so we're gonna let them go another like maybe 2 minutes or so. Probably turn them and baste them again. All right, so we're gonna flip them over, see how everything looks. Should looking very nice. All right, so it's another 3 minutes. We're gonna move them around a little bit. I'm probably gonna actually move some of these that have been over the main part of the fire to the top again. And baste a little more. All right, so we'll go just another couple minutes. I'll come out and check them out. We may be pulling them off next, but we'll show you what happens. All right, so another 3 minutes. We'll check them out quick. Probably gonna just move them around a little bit of basting it because I'm almost out of sauce. And we're gonna pull them off. Looking real good. Actually, looks like we got a little fire there. That's all right, they aren't overdone, so that'll be all right. These are nice and basted though, and they're cooked in pretty nice too. It's gonna be good. I didn't flip them all, but I just got most of them. So cold the sauce is wanting to gel up on me a little bit here. All right, so it's in another 2 minutes. Going to pull them off now. Actually, these are looking excellent. Couple got a little darker than I would have preferred, but that's all right. All right, so we'll see you inside. As always. So the hardest job I had tonight was waiting for my cameraman to get everything set up for us to do this because these wings smell fantastic. So, like I said, so we had a few pounds of the Tyson wings that were frozen, thawed them out for 2 days in the fridge, made the sauce on the stove, which was a cup. I actually ended up using like a 1/4 cup more Frank's Red Hot than I showed on the original start of this, just so I had enough sauce. A little bit of Tabasco, a little Worcestershire butter, and some secret hot pepper seasoning to it that Jack actually makes. Put it started indirect, went around 15-18 minutes on the indirect side, moved to the direct side, started basting it, got each side twice, brought them off the grill, so the total cook time was probably about 30 minutes. Can't wait to dig in. So if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel. You click the little bell. It'll get you every 2 weeks when we put an episode out. You'll get a reminder that we have one out there. And give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.